How to create email templates in your Outlook. Okay guys, I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per requirements, and you can use the email templates in Outlook. Okay, so let's start with the video guys. Before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So let me go in Outlook. So first step is guys, you can go to the new email here and create the templates. Okay, which templates you have to use again and again. So I just give it this Grammarly. Okay, so I just make some templates. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, so this template I want to save and I want to use it when I create new email or reply. So how can do this? You have to just save it, go to the file and go to the save. Okay, go to the save as, and here you can save in any folder. So I just save in documents. So I just rename it like email templates for sales team. Okay, and from here in save tab or file tab, you just go to the click on Outlook templates and save it. So it is saving in doc. Okay, save in Outlook templates. Okay, I do it again. Go to the save as, rename it, and just click on Outlook templates. So it is saving by default Microsoft templates. Okay, just save it. So now you can close it, and now when you create new email, you can okay, how can use the templates? Go to the new items, and here go to the more items. Under the more item, go to the choose from others, and here you can see the save template. So go to the Outlook. Okay, mail here. Okay, let me check again. Standard. Okay, click on this arrow, down arrow, and go to the user templates in file system, and you can see your selected templates here, and just open it. So this template is open. Now you can send it to whom which you want to save. Okay, so you can also create the preloaded subject. Okay, when you create new templates, you can create a preloaded subject here. Okay, that is first method. Second method is you can use the quick step here. Just click on here. Okay, so I just show you just okay, just click on this down arrow, and you can see that this create new. Just click on it. Now you can give the name like sales team reply, and here you can choose the action. So I just so you can select the reply or reply all. So I just take the new message only, sales team new message. Okay, so now go to the option. You can also insert the preloaded email ID, but I don't want to. You can create the preloaded subject line. So I just create netcast. You can also select flags, whatever you want. I just make it importance or whatever. Here you can write the text, hello team, I hope today's sales report, thanks, whatever you want, you just write. You can also automatically send after 1 minute delay. You can click on it. You can also add action. Okay, so you add action like copy the folder, copy to the folder, copy to the move to the folder. Okay, reply all. Okay, this is another action you can choose. I just delete it, and here you can create the shortcut key. If you want, you can create the shortcut keys. So control shift plus 1, and just finish it. So you can see the new quick step has been created. So when you click on it, so this mail will be open by default, and you can insert the email ID and what you want. Okay, so that is how also you can create the email templates. You can use the shortcut keys also to open the this window. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.